Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to add a box shadow using CSS. As you can see, I got a box here and there's a gray shadow around it. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. It will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we only need a div element. Save it. Create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select body element. Background color will be white smoke. Select div element. Give it a height of 300 pixels. Width will be same, 300 pixels. Margin will be 0 and auto. Background color will be light sea green. Now to add a box shadow, we'll use box shadow property here. First, we need to provide a horizontal offset. So let's make it 10 pixels. Then the vertical offset, make it 10 pixel again. The other two properties, which is blur radius and the spread radius, they are optional. So I'll go with 15 pixel blur and 5 pixel spread. At the end, you have to provide the color. So let's go with light slate gray. Save it. Now open this file in the browser to see the output. And that's the output. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.